ICOs are a new way for startups to get funded. Before launching their company, they sell tokens to investors. Most of the investors use the cryptocurrency Ethereum to pay for them. These tokens are a sort of voucher which the investors can later exchange for special services or products. Anything from gold to diamonds to a timeshare in Florida. The investors hope that the startup becomes very popular. That way, their token would become more valuable for other people, and they could sell it to them for a profit. Think of this as a country club that hasn't been built yet. In order to enter the finished club and enjoy all of its gratifications later on, you have to buy a membership. All members are getting a member's card to show they are part of the club. A country club is very exclusive, so the number of member cards given out is limited. But a lot of people really want to be part of the country club. They would even pay more than the membership fee to get a card. People that are already in the club could sell their card to them for a profit. Some of them will decide to stay members of the club though, but they have got to keep in mind. There is no telling if the clubhouse is actually going to be built in the future. Just like there is no telling if a startup will actually, well, start up.